am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Are you ready to join me on a serene stroll along one of Barcelona's most famous beaches? In this video, we'll be exploring the beautiful Barceloneta Beach, walking along the sandy shores, and taking in the stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. But before we start, please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video. Now let's get started. The atmosphere is lively and vibrant, but at the same time, there's a sense of tranquility in the air. If you're a foodie, then you'll love the variety of dining options at Barceloneta Beach. From fresh seafood to paella, there's something for everyone. The restaurants along the beach also offer outdoor seating with stunning views of the sea.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
One of my favorite things about this beach is the beautiful palm trees that line the promenade. The sight of these towering trees swaying gently in the breeze is truly mesmerizing. As we walk further along the beach, we come across a charming old fisherman's neighborhood with colorful buildings and narrow streets. This area has a distinct character and is a stark contrast to the modern high-rise buildings on the other side of the beach. The sun is beginning to set, and the sky turns into a beautiful shade of orange and pink. This is the perfect time to sit back, relax, and take in the stunning sunset over the sea. As we come to the end of our walk, I hope you enjoyed this peaceful and serene journey along Barceloneta Beach. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below on what you liked the most about this video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.